30th question. A. Give reasons for the following. First, Mn3 plus is a good oxidizing agent. Second part, E naught M2 plus upon M values are not regular for first row transition metals 3D series. Third, although F is more electronegative than O, the highest Mn fluoride is MnF4, whereas the highest oxide is Mn2O7. B. Complete the following reaction. Second part, KMnO4 when heated gives, or A part, why do transition elements show variable oxidation states? First part, name the elements showing maximum number of oxidation states among the first series of transition metals from Sc Z is equal to 21 to Zn Z is equal to 30. Name the elements which shows only +3 oxidation state. B part, what is the lanthanide contraction? Name an important alloy which contains some of the lanthanoid metals. Solution. First part, because +2 oxidation state of Mn is more stable than +3. Mn +3 reduction gives Mn +2. Second part, because the values of IE1 plus IE2 are not regular for the first row transition metals 3D. Third part, O can form multiple bonds while F can form single bonds. That's why the highest Mn fluoride is Mn4, whereas the highest oxide is Mn2O7. B part, 2CrO4 minus 2 plus 2H gives Cr2O7 minus 2. Second part, KMnO4 when heated gives K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus O2, or transition elements show variable oxidation state due to partially filled inner D subshell. Elements showing maximum number of oxidation states among the first series of transition metals from Sc to Zn is Mn. The element which shows only +3 oxidation state is Sc. Lanthanide contraction. As atomic number increases, atomic or ionic radius gradually decreases in lanthanoids. It is called as lanthanoid contraction. Mesh metal is an alloy which contains some lanthanoid metals.